Happy Sunday, Power Forward Women, and welcome to this week's edition of What's Your Power Play. My name is Star Williams, CEO of Power Forward Woman. I'm hoping that you have had a blessed Sunday on this Resurrection Sunday, and you have had a chance to enjoy some festivities with your friends and family over this Easter weekend. I'm also hoping that you have continued to reach for those goals, and that's going only after life successes. And along the way, you have pulled another woman, empowered her to continue her journey as she reaches for her goals and ultimately that success. And our message this week is about faith. Yes, so many of us have so many things that we want to accomplish, that we want to do in life. We've written them down, we've thought about them, we've prayed about them, but we have not moved. And we haven't moved because we're in our comfort zone, that safe place. And the magic happens when we move outside of our comfort zone and actually begin to put those plans into action. And it's all about taking that leap of faith. And so many of us are standing on that edge, on that cliff, saying, okay, I want to. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to do it today. No, tomorrow. I'll wait till tomorrow. And it's all about getting to the other side. The other side is where our true destiny is where our heart's desires are. So take that leap of faith. Jump today. Don't worry about those bumps and bruises that you will get along the way, because it's not going to be easy. But really, how do we know if we don't even try? If we don't move those feet that's planted in that comfort zone? So take that leap of faith today and get to where you truly want to be. And no matter what it is, getting your education, also starting your business, whatever it may be, jump. Jump today, because you're not going to know unless you try. And it's all about putting one foot in front of the other, and eventually you'll run, then you'll soar, and you won't even think about looking down, and you will have reached the other side. So my sisters, take that leap. I'm waiting on you. I'm looking for all of those things that you say you want to do. I'm here for you. I'm cheering you on. And I know that you can do it. The world is waiting. Someone is waiting for you. So don't procrastinate. Take that leap of faith today. And with that being said, I hope that you're going to join us tomorrow, Monday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as we hang out with Miss Carrie Harris, Miss Black Texas U.S. Ambassador. We're going to get to know her more. We're going to get to know what she's going to be bringing to the Power Your Way Forward conference. That's going to be in Dallas, Texas, from June 6th to June 8th. So don't forget to tune in, and you can get more information on our Facebook page. Follow us on Twitter. You can email me at star, S-T-A-R, at powerforwardwoman.com to also get more information. Check out our website at www.powerforwardwoman.com as well. And we look forward to seeing you on tomorrow. And don't forget, we're going to be giving away a ticket to the conference on Saturday, June 7th. So don't miss out on your opportunity. And we hope to see you on tomorrow night. But until then, enjoy your day, enjoy your family, be blessed, and I will see you on next week. And until then, continue to think about what's your power play. Have a blessed Sunday.